a clog in the hose of a vacuum cleaner is one of the most common reasons why your vacuum cleaner has lost suction. Now, how do you get that clog out? You can try all kinds of different ways. You got to get the clog out, and then you're going to be back up and running. So you can blow through the hose. You could force water through the hose. You can poke a stick up there. Sometimes the clog has something holding things up. Something is really stuck in there. An option would be to take it outside and try to use centrifugal force to shake it loose. Anyway, if that doesn't work, you're going to have to find an old school hanger and make a hook. The hook can't be too big. And these wires are very difficult to shape by hand. So you probably will need some pliers to get the hook just the right size. Don't give up. You will get that clog out and you will be back up and running like a champ. When that clog finally does drop out, you are going to feel so good.